Hi everyone, welcome to the English Grammar Lesson 13. Nouns without plurals. Countable nouns. As per the very basic, we add the letter S at the end of the noun to make it a plural. For example, a dog, dogs, a book, books. Or else we can add a number, 1 dog, 3 dogs, 1 book, 5 books. Some more examples are given under countable nouns: door, cat, boy, bird, pen. Uncountable nouns. Few examples are given under uncountable nouns. They are milk, coffee, tea, ink, chalk, paper, soap, money, bread. When making an uncountable noun into plural, we can never say waters, 2 waters, but we can use a glass of water, 2 glasses of water. There are few more ways to form the plural of an uncountable noun. We will see how we can make the plural form of the noun milk. Singular, plural. A glass of milk, 2 glasses of milk. A drop of milk, 5 drops of milk. A bottle of milk, 2 bottles of milk. Few important facts are given. First one, we can use uncountable nouns with or without the. The milk is in the cup. The baby is drinking milk. Both the sentences are correct. That means we can use uncountable nouns with the or without the. We can never use it with a. We can never say a milk. Also, we can never add s. That means we can never say milks. Finally, uncountable nouns can be used with no in front of them. There are no chalk on the table. The poor man has no money. When making the plural form of uncountable nouns, we can always use them with drops of, glasses of, bottles of, jugs of, pieces of, cups of, a lot of, and many more ways. For example, there are 3 pieces of chalk on the table. The rich man has a lot of money. Thank you for watching and see you from the next video on English Grammar Lesson 14.